Hello everybody. Oh. Okay, yeah, now that's gone. Right, hello everybody and welcome back. So this one's a bit more of an introductory one because this trail is actually going down. So I shouldn't be out of breath too much, hopefully. So by the time this video is up, you have seen some drone footage, you've seen some driving footage. So I have been keeping my promise that things have changed. Let me know what you think about the driving videos because they're so handy to do. They're long to edit, but you just hop in the car, drive. Grand. So this is the final one that I was saying that I was going to introduce was trails. So I'm going on a hiking trail down to Lough. I'm doing a Map My Walk. It's a cool app that I use. So I'm going to post that up here now so you can see elevation and time it took to do. I'm estimating about 2 hours because recording video and all. I'm going to try introduce a bit of a different kind of vibe into this. Kind of like walking behind me and some drone footage maybe, I don't know, depends on how the thing goes. Judging by Google Maps, it's easy enough to get to, but I have a feeling I'm going to run into problems. So hopefully, hopefully we get down to the lakes. Oh, sorry, lake. Few other updates to the channel. If you want to buy me a coffee, there's a link in the description below. I don't actually drink coffee, but I do drink water, and I do eat snacks. So you know, I'll be buying brownies and cookies and chocolate bars and stuff like that to help the channel out. And if you were really interested in the channel, I've created a new Patreon. So it's a website where you can support me. It's €5 per month, and I'm going to list all of the what would it be, the exclusivity that you get. Some being photos, polls on what to do on the channel, ask me anythings, Facebook group. Now I've only set that up, so I want to put the stipulation out that if member number 1 joins and you get into the Facebook group, which is a private one, well, you're going to be the only one there. So you have to be patient and wait for, you know, the thing to grow. But like, it's a place for people to share past memories of Ireland, or, you know, walking places that I should go on, or walking places that you've been on, you know, and interact. And I want to build a little community about the Irish people, well, not Irish people, but people who will enjoy Ireland. So yeah, have a look at the link below. You can see all the things. You don't have to pay for it straight away. I'm going to put up a few free viewing things just so you can kind of see what you get, so you can see before you buy, technically. I'll be doing a free 1 picture download per month. I might increase that to 2 or 3. We'll see how things go. And yeah, you get to have a picture there for, you know, your phone, your landscape, or your desktop. You can print it out, you can do whatever. So you'll have a downloaded copy, where the rest will be just visuals and little stories behind them. Well, that looks like it's going uphill. Hopefully this isn't it. I picked this one because it goes downhill and it's a slow gradual gradient, so I won't be dying on my way back. We'll see, because I've got a game of golf after this. So I'll be doing another video down the road because I have to actually do the activities. But activities to do in Ireland. So I've done mountain biking on one of them. I'll be getting some of the shots of the golf course. And then I'm going to probably do kayaking. No, I want it to be a fun summer to actually go out and do things. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Like, that'll probably take a few months to do because I have to get all the footage together. But mountain biking is fun. There's a place we go to in Ticknock, and biking.ie, I believe is the name of the website. It's like €30 to rent a bike. Now granted, there's no insurance and there's no assistance, so if you fall and break your arm, you're limping down that trail, you know. But you get a pretty good mountain bike, and it's just a normal one. You can get the e-bike, which is 65 for the day. The stipulation on that is now until it runs out or you tire. So you can't kind of go, oh well, it was supposed to be 6 to 6. No, it's until the battery runs out or you get tired. So keep an eye out on that. Yeah, so that's basically all the updates with the channel. I'm gonna do this in segments because this is going to be like a 3-hour hike, and I do enjoy these, and the weather's lovely. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt and a pair of shorts, factor 50 on me, you know. That trip to Thailand didn't do me any favours within regards to getting used to the heat. Oh, and I'll show you the views that I'm getting here so far. So there we go. There. Oh wait, that's blown out. Never mind. You try to do something nice and it just blows up in your face. Anyway, there should be some drone footage there going up. Have a look at that. A different styling. I'd like to hear your feedback on that too, so leave a comment below. Yeah, I think the channel's progressing slowly. We're getting there. I'm seeing the viewer counts go up and subscribers going up. I'm not seeing the comments though. You have to comment. You have to let me know what's going on. If you've been there before, if you enjoyed the video, you know, what you think would better the video. Let me know in the comments below. basically one of two things: private property and you're not allowed in, or is to keep the sheep in or out. So I'm hoping to find a gate along the way. Worst come to worst, I'm just going to find a nice little spot with a nice view. Relax. The trip down has been fairly light, I have to say. There's one or two ups, but it wasn't too bad. It was mainly down. I'd say going up, I'll do a report at the end, but I'd say it'd be probably light to moderate. Didn't seem too steep. And then the trail just kind of ends, and then you're just walking around in the grass on your own. So I'm going to continue on for a little bit, probably down to those bushes of trees down there, and see if there's somewhere to just chill out. Send up the drone for some more aerial footage. Probably explains why, if you can't get in there, why it's not such a popular trail, because otherwise you're just coming down to nothing really. There are a few nice trees beside the river, and someone actually just chilling out underneath that. But we came mainly for the river and back down. So we'll see how it is. One piece of advice: good walking shoes, because I had to transition. So these ones have good grips, made by Skechers, so they're nice and comfortable. Something to support the ankle, especially in this kind of terrain. And a good set of lungs, I suppose. Which, yeah, gotta work on that one. So, and it helps if you have a bit of goat blood in your DNA. You kind of have no problem walking around most of this kind of terrain. But yeah, the scenery is stunning, and it's a beautiful day. It seems to be kind of fading off here, to be honest. Could be some farmland owned by someone, so the fences all around. So yeah, gonna sit down, have a bite to eat, send the drone up, and then probably call it a day and head back. I'll give my report at the end of the day how it was on the return journey. Okay, so walk complete. Final result, fairly well. I'd say light to moderate on the way back up. There's a few steep parts where it's like almost vertical, but then it was flat for most of it, a light incline. As you can see, I'm posting both of my going down and going up. The going down was longer because I had to stop and take videos and stuff like that, and then backtrack. That's why it also might show as longer than the up. But I came back up in 45 minutes, I think it was 46 minutes. So I'm done now. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below if you like this kind of video. I can do more like this, or if you just want the back to normal basic walking ones, let me know in the comments below.